From the meditative calm of coloring to the vibrant energy of creativity, we're about to explore it all. Welcome to a world where colors reign supreme, and we're here to celebrate their unparalleled beauty. If you're looking for a way to infuse your life with beauty and creativity, you're in the right place. Dive into a world where the mundane becomes extraordinary through the simple act of coloring. Every stroke, every shade tells a story, and we're here to unravel the beautiful narratives of coloring. Get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of coloring and witness the extraordinary beauty it brings. The beauty of coloring knows no bounds, and in this video, we'll explore its limitless potential. Join us on a journey of self-discovery and artistic expression through the captivating beauty of coloring. If you're ready to uncover the mesmerizing beauty of coloring, you're in for a treat. Let's begin! It's time to pick up your coloring tools and experience the profound beauty that awaits on your canvas. In this video, we'll unravel the artistic, therapeutic, and awe-inspiring beauty of coloring. Colors are not just pigments on paper, they're emotions, dreams, and stories waiting to be told. The world of coloring is your playground, and we're here to guide you through its enchanting beauty. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also donate to support this channel. The PayPal link is in the description. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.